Ooh. Happy spooky season, everyone. We have fancy makeup on, very ghoulish. And my moon sweater on. Gonna go through my entire Halloween wardrobe. That's my goal this month. Okay, so we still have to kind of wear masks, or at least we should be still wearing masks, especially if you're someone like me who works with senior citizens and toddlers. Yeah, so I want to be safe. I want them to be safe. I want my family to be safe. So I keep wearing my mask when I teach, but I'm bored of my masks a little bit, just a little bit. Like I need some new fun masks. Oh, also look, I did my nails. Halloween nails. Aren't they cute? Yes, today we're making some cute new masks. We've tried to make masks already on this channel, and it was a whole thing. I was basically doing it without a pattern. But I will be using this mask as a pattern. I found that this mask in particular fits my face the very absolute best, and it was free from Priority Health. So I'm gonna use this as my pattern. But let me show you our fabric. Oh, first, okay, cut to earlier Pauline finding the fabric. Okay, so I was looking for this fabric that I wanted to use specifically for the Halloween masks, and I knew I'd seen it somewhere recently, but I couldn't figure out why. I looked literally everywhere we have fabric, and of course the last place I looked. But first, before we get to that, look at this cute fabric. I used to always go to Joann Fabrics and get the remnants of stuff. So look, it's just this, you know, but this is like great for making masks. So I can have some cute rose print masks. And then I also have this, which is like the same amount of fabric as that. Like, look how pretty. That one's cute. This one's pretty. And this one's fun. Look how fun. Oh my gosh. Galaxy print. Remember when Galaxy print was like a thing? I'm kind of tempted. I have this fabric. I don't know why, but I want to make a bucket hat so bad out of this. Wouldn't a bucket hat be super cute out of this print? So we might make a bucket hat with maybe a matching face mask. And I found this, which I can use as a liner. Also, I found these shorts. I looked, they have no holes. I don't know why I had them in the mending area, but I think they're fine. I also found ankle weights and this body massager. Don't know why, but I was looking for this fabric. See? Halloween Hello Kitty, and I'm like where was this fabric? It was in the last place I looked, which was like my little sewing caddy from when I was a little kid. I thought it was just folded up fabric, a little strip, and I was like, okay, obviously I was doing some sort of project, and I took it out, and here's an unfinished dress I was making for I don't have American Girl dolls, I have Magic Addict dolls, but I was like making her a little Halloween shirt. So we're gonna have to finish this, because I mean it's already cut. Here's the fabric. I think I still have enough to make a face mask. This is folded twice. Wait, how many sheets of fabric are here? Wait, did I make... Okay, pause. Okay, I checked, and this dress is only 2 pieces of fabric. But if I cut out this folded in half twice, that means that there should be a second one. But I definitely have enough fabric for maybe a couple masks. Cute. But I had to share that we found the dress, and we will finish it, and we will do, you know, an outfit reveal on my doll. She was my first muse. I'm gonna put it all through the washer and dryer so it is pre-shrunk. Leaf blower for our upstairs deck. Had to share that cute little story time. My heart. It was a scavenger hunt to find this fabric, and I'm so glad I did, plus that little bonus. Using this mask as our pattern, found all my fabrics, put them through the dryer, so now they're all pre-shrunk, and I went and ironed. It was so satisfying to iron them, and yes, I did iron them in a full beat of makeup, but it's so satisfying to iron cotton because it gets so wrinkly and then it gets so crisp. My trick here, so that I won't be using up all the pattern fabric super fast, is I'm going to line it with this cotton. So the inner layer will be purple on all of them. That way I won't use up all the fabric instantly. Now I don't think I have time to make the bucket hat today. We might be able to make it on Wednesday and then do like a outfit reveal with that later on. So fingers crossed that we get this done. But if I just get all the masks done, that's awesome, because I need to shake up my mask wardrobe. Lots of fun fabric. How about we go ahead and hop to it? I'm gonna start by taking my mask and tracing it a little bit larger than it actually is, so that I have, you know, room for seams sewing first. And once I have my little pattern, I'm gonna set that very carefully on the fabric to make sure that I don't get like one side is inside out, you know, I don't want to mess that up. Cut out all my pieces and then we head to the sewing machine, of course, where I think what I'm gonna do, because like I'm not going off a pattern, I'm just having to use my brain power. I'm going to sew the 2 pieces of the matching colors together first, and then sew those, each piece, like the inner and outer layer together, and then turn it inside out. And then I found some nice elastic that's soft that I'll be using for the ears. So I'm just gonna kind of measure it up, make to the mask that I originally chose, and put that on there. Probably tie a little knot so it's nice and secure. Sew that edge, that hem, and my mask should be done. But then I gotta sew Allison's dress, so I will make sure to finish that up, hem it, put her in a fabulous little outfit, and get ready for our reveal. Hi. It's 8:45 p.m. now, and I am done for tonight. Put a fork in me, I'm done. I broke a needle, had to redo a bobbin, which that's normal. My bobbin ran out. The machine's become unthreaded, like it has to do a little loopy thing 2 times now within the past 15 minutes. So I think I'm done for tonight. But I did get 3 done. I'm not showing you yet. You have to wait for the grand reveal. And I think this is actually a good thing, because Wednesday, that means I can finish up the last 2 masks and make the bucket hat. Because I was worried I was not gonna have time to do it today, which I did not. I did not have time for that, no. So Wednesday, maybe Wednesday I can do the bucket hat, and wow, I'm so hungry and tired. But maybe Wednesday I can do the bucket hat, finish the 2 masks. I also have not finished sewing Allison, my doll's outfit. So I also decided, instead of it being a dress, I'm turning into a vest, and I'm adding a little tie at the waist so her waist can be snatched. Yeah, I'm not gonna have my face fully beat for the rest of this video, which is a good thing, because I was like, oh no, how am I gonna try on these masks with like this? So this is, I only did my makeup really because I wanted to take pictures of my nails that I did last night before they got destroyed. So I was like, oh, bonus, I'll film a video too. We're at a recess, and we will resume shortly. You won't even know that it's been a few days, but I will be makeupless, which is better for trying stuff on anywho. Okay, I'll see you Wednesday. Hopefully more energy and ready to go. Maybe I'll do a little makeup, who knows? Maybe just... You heard that, right? Oh, it's downstairs in the garage. It sounded like someone rubbing their hand on the window behind me. I'm not in the mood for a serial killer, I have to be honest. The tables will turn. Okay, bye. I'll see you on Wednesday. Hello, it is now Saturday. This video goes up tomorrow. But good news, I've gotten all the masks sewn. I also made Allison's dress. Well, it went down a different road. It's a vest now. I already started editing this video, but it's Saturday, and I do have, I think, just enough time to make the bucket hat and also finish editing. Exciting, right? You already know this bucket hat if you've seen me wear it in last month's vlog. This is the hat we're gonna be using as a reference. I understand the physics of this bucket hat. I understand that the top, I dropped it. I understand that the top is just a circle, and I was like looking around, because I'm like, I bet this is the same size as the specific bowl that we have. Measured it out, and I was like, yep, it's the exact same size. So I'm going to trace this and then draw a little larger than it and cut beyond that so we have extra room for sewing for the top. I also learned that like the inner diameter of the flippy uppy part of the bucket hat is the same as this plate. Because I want to be able to draw correct circles, and then I'll just measure kind of like the length of it. It's about 3.5, but I'll make it like 4.5 inches just to give myself some extra space, so that way I can hem it and, you know, all that jazz. Oh yeah, and then this part is just a rectangle, so that's easy. I didn't know this video was gonna be me making patterns so much. And for the top portion of the hat and then this rectangular band, I'm gonna line it, that's the word. I'm gonna line it with that thicker purple fabric so it gives it some structure, because the fabric itself is kind of loose and floppy. But for this bottom band part, the round part, I'm going to line it with the same fabric so that way, you know, when you like flip it up, if you do this, it has the same fabric, and that's cute. So yeah, I'm gonna switch to a time lapse and then sew it all together. And it should work, it should work, it should work. So
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
ta-da! Look at you guys. I'm so glad that I took the time to make the bucket hat today. Do you see how cute this bucket hat is? You see the little pocket? May said I should keep my acorns in there. I agree. So yeah, we made a bunch of masks. They all fit very comfortably. I made a bucket hat. I made the pattern and I made the bucket hat all from scratch. And I think it took me like 3 hours was about what it took. So I'm impressed with myself. And like, just look how perfect it is. Can you see how perfect it is?
Yes, we can see.
But yeah, that's this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was worth it. Worth it. You can follow me on TikTok at Pauline Makes TikToks. You can follow me on Instagram at Pauline Does Things. If you like my tiny pocket, like this video. Comment down below other things that I should try sewing, because I have so much fabric. First, I need to have a pile of clothing I need to mend before I'm giving myself permission to start any more sewing projects. Oh yeah, subscribe, that YouTube thing, if you feel like it. Do I have anything else to add? I can't think of anything. Allison wants to say bye. Nobody make fun of me for having my doll in this video. She's cool. She was my first muse. She is how I learned how to sew. I can thank her for everything that I'm able to do. Also, for some reason, Rusty is like viciously barking at her, so I'm kind of like, I think she might be haunted, which in that case, I have taken very good care of her, obviously. I mean, look at her fashion. So hopefully, if there is a small Victorian child haunting my doll, I'm on their good side. Fingers crossed. Bye, everybody. Happy Halloween.